Made some spills there.
Oh
whoa! It made cotton candy right away.
Oh
okay, grab your cone.
There's still more.
Okay, Troy's turn.
Oh my.
Whoa!
TVT Fun TV.
Hi guys.
Hi, Daddy.
What are we making today, guys?
Cotton candy. And we got PIXY sticks.
Woo! Those
PIXY
are giant PIXY sticks. Ooh, what kind of
Enormous one.
what kind of flavors do we have there?
We have purple.
What kind of flavor do you have there, Aaron?
Lots.
Lots?
Grape, Maui Punch, cherry, and orange.
Whoa! With
You know
paper.
what this is for?
That's not paper.
What is that?
Plastic.
Is that for unicorn horn?
Yeah. Fluffy unicorn.
Fluffy unicorn. Before we start making cotton candy, do you guys want to put tattoos in your tongue?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah, on your tongue. This is the tattoos we got. Cool, we got some Hulk and Captain America shield, some worms and centipedes. Funny face right there. Okay, Troy, here. Put this in your tongue, Troy. Okay, take it out. Wow, that looks like Hulk.
Huh?
It's tingly.
Okay, so I think we're ready to make cotton candies now.
Yeah.
Yeah? You guys ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's preheat our cotton candy machine. Let's see.
I just eat that. That was good. Look at this.
Whoa, you're a pixie man.
10 hours later. 5 minutes later.
Cotton candy.
Yeah. Finally, alright, so we're done preheating.
Look at this, Daddy.
Woo.
What are you doing there?
That's a lot.
Whoa, whoa. Are we doing grapes first?
Yeah, we're doing great. I think that should be enough.
Yeah, that should be enough. Yeah. We'll just finish it like that. Okay, give me this one.
I want some.
Ooh, it's a cool switch.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's flying everywhere.
What is going on?
Oh, I see it. Already starting to form.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah, right there. You see it?
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
Oh, it's not good.
But it's not enough.
Oh, you're getting some.
Yeah, you're getting some. That's it? Well, it didn't really make that much. Okay, well, we gotta try again. Fast. Let's see. Same thing is happening. It's just melting the sugar and... Am I doing this wrong? Oh, okay. Well, I guess PIXY Stick's not working, so we're just gonna go look for some candies, and crush them, and make our own PIXY Sticks. Alright. Alright, we're back. So, we tried using the PIXY Stick to make cotton candy, but it just didn't work. We tried the small ones, the big ones, none of them work. Pretty much when you put the PIXY Sticks in here, it just melted the candy and then just flicked them on the side right there. So we went ahead and make our own PIXY Stick. So we went to buy some hard candies. Hard candies, and we crushed them. Crushed them, and then we filled them inside these big PIXY Stick straws.
Yeah, I hope so.
I hope so too. We tried really hard, eh? Which one are we gonna start first?
Pig.
Okay. Okay, let's try this on.
Okay.
Made some spills there.
Oh my.
Whoa! It made cotton candy right away. Okay, grab your cone. Grab a cone, Troy. Here's a cone for you. Go get your cotton candy. Oh, look at that. Whoa!
Wrong way, Troy.
Okay, wrong way, Troy. Oh.
Ow.
Okay, whoa!
Whoa.
Nice cotton candies.
That's all. Pretty sure.
Cool. Wow, lots of cotton candy. Yeah. Is there more? There's more coming out. Wow. Yeah, that makes a lot.
More fun candy.
Ah, that was a lot. Okay.
Okay, I think that's all.
Oh, I got lots.
Wow. There's still more?
Oh, look at my candy.
Wow.
Look at mine.
You finished yours?
Yeah.
You gotta brush your teeth after.
I want to eat this up.
Cotton candy monsters.
I worked, yay!
Yeah,
It worked.
Yeah, finally.
Candy.
Okay, let's do another one. Which color are we gonna do next?
Purple.
Purple.
You just got it. It's good.
What was that, cherry? I think that was cherry, right?
No. Yeah. It tastes like
It tasted like cherry.
it's still gonna make.
Oh yeah. I think we put too much.
Maybe. I think I see you making.
Don't give up.
Oh,
Give up. Don't
starting.
I can't.
It didn't got
There you
some.
go. Oh,
I
look.
didn't got some.
You did. Look, yeah.
So much.
Yeah, it looks like this one's gonna make a lot.
Yep. What? So it looks so fluffy. There's still more?
Okay, Troy's turn.
Oh my.
Whoa, that's a big one. Troy, your turn. Troy, go.
What?
Wow, this one made a lot.
It made so much.
Yeah. Ooh, look, this batch is so fluffy. I think you gotta like spin it and twirl it like this. I don't know, but I'm trying.
Really good at the surface.
Yeah,
You make it so fluffy.
I know.
It's so perfect.
I don't know how they make it like that. Wow, look at that.
Look at mine too.
Look at yours too. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's like a hat.
It does. It's like a
Fits perfectly.
And mine looks like a crying baby.
You look like a crying baby. Okay, which color are we gonna do next?
orange.
Orange.
Okay, your cone. Wait first. Whoa. Look at that. Is it making right away?
It's flying everywhere.
I'll get
Ooh!
some. I'll get some.
It's making already.
I'll get some. I'll get some. I'll get some.
Okay, Naji, you have to wait for a little bit, Joy.
I'll get some.
Okay, you're too excited. You're too excited. Hold on, wait up a little bit.
I'll get some. Yes! I got my roller coaster.
Yeah, it's working. Whoa, look at that. Orange is going out now. Cool. Whoa, that's a lot of cotton candy.
Do I have a beard?
You see? Oh wow, you're like Fu Manchu. What are you doing, Troy? That's not ice cream.
This one looks crazy.
Let me see your tattoo. Let's.
Eat it.
Who wants another tongue tattoo?
Baby, baby.
Okay.
It stings. The first like.
Is it done? Let me see. Alright, so mommy's gonna show us how to make it.
That's it.
Oh, that's how you do it?
What?
I know, you did it wrong.
That's how you do it. Wow.
Wow.
One of those cotton candy makers.
Yeah.
Carnival fair. The fluffy that is.
Can you see that?
Wow.
Wow. We should have done it like this. We didn't know how to do it.
This cotton candy is gonna make me feel well done.
Yeah. Whoa, it's changing color. I don't know if you guys can see that.
What flavor is that?
It's the pink one.
Wow, look how fluffy it is. It's big, like a fluffy unicorn.
Oh, that's how you make it. Whoa, look at this cotton candy I made.
Wow. That's
I am so good.
Yeah, you're the best.
It's me too.
Yeah, you too. We all made this. Woo! Yeah. Do you guys want to try?
Yeah.
How does it taste, Tori?
Tastes like lollipop.
It's a mix of flavors there. Cherry.
Flavors.
Yeah, there's cherry, blueberry, and
Great.
Great.
grapes.
And this one is good.
Was that tasty, guys?
Yeah.
All right, you guys ready to open your surprise story?
Yeah. I got the grocery bag.
Ooh. That's like your favorite right now. You like that one, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, Aaron, what is it?
DC Comics Ushi.
Ooh. All right, let's open that one.
Who's that guy? Yeah. Lex. Looks like.
Is that Lex? Oh, that is Lex Luthor.
Crystal.
Okay, open yours, Troy. Ooh, I wonder what kind of grocery gang this is.
The sticky salsa and nutty donut.
Ooh. Did you guys enjoy making cotton candies today?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty fun, huh? Was it tasty?
Yeah.
That was-
The cotton candy was so tasty.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Which flavor did you guys like the best?
I like the pink one.
I like.
The pink one? What was that? Cherry?
I think I like the blue the best. Blue.
The blue, blueberry.
It was delicious.
It was delicioso.
Oh, guys, yo.
Bye, thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Badoo, 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 badoo.
Oh, there's a different one. Look at this bunch.
Troy, come here. I got a surprise for you.
Wow, the McDonald's Play-Doh. Wow. Play in here.
I'm an albatross. I'm an albatross.